Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it.
Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to play Roblox on your school Chromebook in 2025. Let's jump straight into it. Step 1. Open Google Chrome. First things first, grab your school Chromebook and open Google Chrome. Step 2. Search for Roblox. Once you're in Chrome, go ahead and search for Roblox in the search bar. Step 3. Log into your account. Click on the first link that comes up, which should take you to the Roblox homepage. On the top right corner, you'll see a login button. Click on that. Enter your email and password, then click Login. Step 4. Trust the device. After logging in, you may see an option to trust this device for 30 days. Check that box, then you'll be asked to enter a 6-digit verification code. Check your email for the code, enter it, and hit Verify. Step 5. Choose your game. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to the Roblox main screen. Browse through the games and select the one you want to play. Step 6. Start playing. Click on the game and then hit the play button. If you don't have the Roblox app installed on your Chromebook yet, you'll be prompted to download and install Roblox. Step 7. Install Roblox. Once Roblox finishes installing, you can start playing your favorite games. And that's it. You're all set to play Roblox on your school Chromebook. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to see more content like this.